Best deals.
1. Steamer. The steaming function locks in nutrients in vegetables and other foods, ensuring you can provide your loved ones the healthiest and most nutritious meals possible. The stainless steel inner and removable trays make cleaning up a breeze, giving you more time to relax and enjoy quality moments with your family after a delicious meal. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Appam Maker. Egg frying pan non-stick is gas stove compatible. Perfect for cooking omelets, bacon, burgers, pancakes and making 4 fried eggs at the same time, suitable for breakfast making. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Omelette egg pan. Made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. Enjoy a low-oil lifestyle with a PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Anodized Handy. The riveted cool touch handle is firmly fixed, providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. Cookware is non-toxic, scratch-resistant, durable, non-reactive and corrosion-proof. Comes with steel lid to protect covering of food and also to reduce the cooking time. Comes in 3.5 liters capacity and is compatible on gas stove. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Electric Grill. Comes with a non-stick grill pan and temperature control, making it suitable for a variety of foods including cheese, omelets, and chocolate. Lightweight in the baking tray, made from high-quality non-stick coating, can be wiped clean or placed in the dishwasher. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Air Fryer. Offers ample space for preparing meals, making it perfect for family-sized portions or cooking multiple servings at once. Non-stick basket ensures food doesn't stick, making cleanup a breeze. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Waffle Maker. Will make your favorite breakfast classics, or get creative with waffled hash browns, cookies and even biscuit pizzas. Any batter will waffle into single serving portions. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Roaster. Made of pure stainless steel and its handle is made of premium wood. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Appapat. The non-stick coating ensures easy release of appams and makes cleaning a breeze, allowing you to cook with minimal oil for healthier meals. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Kadai. Suitable for all cooktops including induction. Comes with 2 canvas grips for easy handling. Uni-body one-piece design free of any screws or weld joints. It can be used for deep frying, roasting, baking. Crafted from high-quality cast material, heats quickly, evenly and retains heat longer. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Rice Cooker. Dual heaters, dedicated indicator lights for cook and warm functions. Simply press the button, no more waiting for water to boil or watching the pot on the stovetop. This rice cooker will switch to keep warm when automatic cooking is complete. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Roti Maker. Made with a high-quality stainless steel, it also prevents the roti maker from any external damage or erosion. Cooking plate of the roti maker is manufactured using the finest and smoothest non-stick material. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Pressure Cooker. Made from best quality aluminium, made from superior quality, food-grade nitrile rubber confirming, has strong and sturdy body, user-friendly handle, gasket release system, anti-deflecting bottom. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Pan. Crafted from food-grade material that adds to the durability of the non-stick surface. Strong handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. Also manufactured to protect the surface from scratches caused by spoons, it's elegant and durable. That lasts long. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Square Tawa. Has a scratch and abrasion resistant technology. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Appa Pan. Designed with scratch and abrasion resistant technology, this cookware range has extreme ability to resist scratches. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Grill Pan. Crafted from food-grade material with 3-coat durable PFOA-free non-stick inside. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Electric rice cooker. Cooks up to 3.5 cups of raw rice or 500 grams of raw rice. Has 5 layered 2 liters ceramic coated inner bowl. 8 preset cooking function: long grain, short grain, brown rice, porridge, quick cook, slow cook, steam and cake. Auto-adjust temperature and timings for optimal rice cooking combined with tailored useful add-on options including steam, porridge, slow cook settings including 24-hour preset timer and keep warm features, includes steam basket, measuring cup, spatula and soup ladle. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Sandwich maker. Magnetic handles ensure secure closure while grilling. Compatible with gas stoves for flexible cooking options. Crafted from high-quality materials for reliability. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Griller. Can be used to prepare yummy grilled tikka effortlessly. Crafted from non-stick grill plates. Has adjustable temperature control. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Steamer. Made of titanium glaze. It will not release harmful substances even under high temperature conditions, protecting your family's health. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Cookware set. Features a robust 3.1 mm thick aluminum body for enhanced durability, ensures even heat distribution across the cookware, preventing hot spots. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Flat tawa. Ensures even heating and uniform browning, making you the dosa maestro you aspire to be. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Anodized handy. Designed moat on the lid condenses the steam that rises from the food simmering, which forms droplets on the underside, thus making delicious food. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Dosa tawa. The non-stick surface elevates flavors and simplifies your cooking experience. Uniform heating guarantees consistent. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Grill pan. High-quality cast material heats quickly and evenly and retains heat longer. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Electric cooker. From steam and hot pot to stir fry and soup, enjoy delicious dishes like noodles, ramen, shabu shabu, steak, and oatmeal. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Waffle maker. The non-stick cooking surface ensures that waffles come out easily, making it simple for kids to help out in the kitchen and develop their cooking skills. Waffle maker heats up quickly, allowing you to create delicious waffles in no time. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time with your family. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Pressure cooker. Its aluminum body is of high-grade aluminium material. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Dosa tawa. Made from premium quality cast iron, ensuring excellent heat retention and even distribution for uniform cooking results. Features a heat-resistant handle for a comfortable grip while cooking and transferring the tawa. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Up pan. Strong and heats evenly, yet is light and easy to handle. Integrated bracket cum flame guard. Handle will stay cool and will not loosen. Product link is given in the 31st link. Thanks for watching.